Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if you're not receiving Instagram notifications on your Android smartphone device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen, and you want to select the Settings gear button, and then you want to select the Apps tile on this page. Select All Apps at the top, and then you want to scroll down and locate the Instagram app and select that. And then select where it says notifications and make sure where it says all Instagram notifications, click inside that oval to toggle it on to turn that on. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.